Hey guys, so I'm going to be trying to do the shotgun only challenge. So hopefully this is fairly easy. Not gonna lie, I've done a few of these. SMG? Shout out to SMG ammo, I'm betting that guy is a green, navy blue SMG. Not good. He's not that far behind me. Yo, there better be a shotgun. Let's go, let's go. They're on top. I'll take the sulfur, I might need ammo later. Let's go. Yeah. Oh yeah, those don't mind that. Yeah. Hopefully it's pretty easy. It's like the third time I've tried doing this challenge. First time I couldn't find a shotgun. Second time, for some reason, I hit this guy with a blue shotgun 4 times. 4 times, and he didn't die. So that was kind of annoying and like just stupid in general. Yo, let's go! I've gotten like 3 shotguns in a row. That's not bad. I don't know why I need so many. Take the ammo. SMGs. SMGs are way too common for how OP they are. Like, so pretty much how I died. The one time was I had a blue pump or blue shotgun, and I died. I don't know that word. I pretty much died to a 1 sulfur. I need emeralds. Okay, now I'll make some more. Sulfur is useless, except for when you're doing these challenges. Someone's trying to shoot me. They're over there and they see me. Okay, great. I can try and lure him in. Oh, that's annoying. That is not good at all. Okay. Another great start to another challenge. He can go along the bridge. Knew it! I literally said it, and I knew it. But I bet he's not expecting this. Can't break 2 walls, bro. Come on. Let's go, let's go, let's go. This is actually, like, really intense. Like, my BPS right now, heartbeats per minute, is way too big, to say the very least. Okay, that wasn't a smart move. At all. At all. Okay. This is actually way too hard because you need to get up close to him. Yeah, this is definitely harder than it should be, and definitely harder than it looks. Like, you wouldn't expect this to actually be this hard, like, for sure. You're looking at this and being like, dude, Socrates, you're just like a noob, man. No, it's actually really hard. Oh yeah, and if you're wondering why I've turned off chat, mostly just because people would sometimes swear. Don't want that in my videos, because I don't want my videos to get age restricted. You know. Honestly, you know. Yeah. Oh, my God. Dude, this guy tried to knock down my building. Kind of funny. Anyway, yeah, this challenge will be better than it looks because with all the other challenge videos on YouTube, Caps Lock, YouTuber, I watch sometimes. He does. I watch his boxing videos. Nice. A shotgun. Yeah, he does like a pistol challenge and he has done like a pistol challenge and an SMG challenge. Those two do damage when you're in range, and they aren't super weak at the moment, because SMGs are way too overpowered. I've died way too many times today by them. I want to pick up that sniper so bad. Yeah, and with the pistol, you have the Magnum for close range, right? At least you have, like, the Magnum, right? So, that's a thing. Imagine the look on that guy's face from earlier when he realized I'm carrying 3 shotguns and a few sulfur. Hey, you guys seen that? My game has little like white dots all over the place. That's kind of weird. It's actually kind of weird. But yeah, isn't the first time I'm trying to record this video. Probably isn't the last. Like, this won't be the last time. To the heals in my inventory. I don't know why I need 2 shotguns. I'm just gonna do it because so annoying. Yeah, with like all the pistol challenges and SMGs, SMG is kind of hard to aim, but it's just that overpowered that I feel like it'd even out. And then the yeah, it's pretty much all the like the pistol challenge. That seems hard for sure, but it seems possible. You get close range, you got the Magnum. You know, sort of Yo, you're kidding me, right? I literally didn't mean to build that. Whatever. Yeah, this match is gonna have to end soon because otherwise my video's gonna be too long for YouTube. Okay, I'm trying to lure him over here. That's over. Let's go. Okay. Here, I'm walking on grass. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna have to be low key this time though. There he is. He saw me. He was right there. Yep. Oh, I actually hit him for 2 damage. Nope, that's a sniper. So sniper or an AR, and I'm not gonna risk it. He's taking damage. Let's go. Yo, what? I was crouching on that, right? Whatever, top 3. You know, I'm gonna heal, I'm gonna rush him. I'm just gonna go for it. No, he has high ground. This isn't good. Let's go! Let's actually go. He saw me. This dude literally saw me, right? I need heal. I need more. No, wait, there's no way I actually win this. There's no way I actually win this. You're walking on wood. You're probably in there. I'm gonna rage if I die right now. I have 150 health. They're gonna be going for high ground in the center of the circle, right? Should be right here. No? They're on grass. That's a sniper! That is a sniper for sure, and I'm gonna have to rush him. Or I could trick him. No! I'm gonna rush him. Wait, they're in there. Let's go! Shotgun only challenge. Let's go. Okay, if you guys can't tell, it's actually like 7:30. Yeah, these servers have like 5 minutes to load. Like they take like 3 minutes for each server to start up because there's so little people at this time. And this is like the 10th time I've tried to record this video. I started at like, I no joke, started at like 6:45. I've been trying to do this challenge for so long. Yo, anyway, I'll see you in the next one, guys. DM me on Discord, Myrtle the Turtle. No capitals, no spaces. If you think I should do more of these challenge videos. Or if I shouldn't. Yeah, I just want your advice. Anyway, see ya.